We're talking some Nvidia right now. It is on pace for its worst month in more than a decade. And now JP Morgan says it is time to buy the stock. They've upgraded it to overweight. $255 is the target. It's a big upside from here. Josh, do you still own this stock, which is about $100 off its 52-week?
I do still own it. I have not added to it. I might, but it's outsized relative to other positions I have by virtue of the fact that it's gone up so much since where I bought it. So that's kept me from adding to it. But I think under 200, they're giving the stock away. I understand the reasons why it's down. I think a lot of it is just general selling of large cap technology stocks. And then some of it is some people concerned about various, in my opinion, minor issues about the chip market. But I would be a buyer here. And, you know, the day is long. I might be.
Yeah. As we said, stock's having a great day. Doc?
I like it, but I'm not in it right now. I haven't touched it. I
just want to be friends with it.
I just want to be friends with it. That's right.
Friend zone with you.
You prefer other names?
KLAC?
No.
I'm on a chip. These are stocks, like I say, I think you've had a chance to pick up some semi-equipment makers and testing equipment that are some of the first movers in the space when it starts to recover. KLAC 10 core.
Don't let the haters get you down.
No, that's all right. That's all right. I get it.
Dude, Nvidia is like a Ferrari. KLA 10 core is like a company that changes the lug nuts in one of the tires every once in a while. I would not even have these two names in the same conversation.
Go ahead, Doc.
Well, they're not.
You let Doc make his case
one is
take them down.
A semiconductor equipment stock, Judge, and the other is somebody that makes the actual chips. The chips have been out of favor from AMD all the way across the board. First one that came out with the positive was Intel.
SMH is down 15.5% this month.
Yeah.
Right?
So Intel's the only one of the chips that I own right now.
So to your point, again, this is the type of market. Nvidia is in free fall. A lot of these companies, these large cap tech companies, are in free fall in the last 30 to 45 days. Why are you buying that near-term free fall when you could buy a quality company like a Intel and play the same type of bounce? Now, Intel, that's been down from 57 over the much longer course of time, okay? But I think the market is more comfortable buying in Intel than it is taking a chance that AMD or Nvidia is going to experience some form of a bounce.
This stock is up 5% today. The space is sold off. This name has sold off. It's down 32% month to date.
Stocks have been hit worse than any other stocks.
But you have to understand something. Portfolio managers, hedge funds, they're more sensitive to risk. They're looking at beta. They don't want high beta exposure in this market right now.
No, I understand. I don't care about hedge fund managers right now. I care about
But it's not just
or whoever manages it right now.
It's
why wouldn't you? Why
institutional money? Okay, institutional money dictates largely the direction of a lot of these stocks. Okay. And they have to be comfortable in the risk assumption models, and they're not going to do that until the market stabilizes. They're going to choose an Intel over a high momentum.
Stock is $100 off if it's high. What is the definition?
I see it.
Stabilizing
I agree.
for you.
Okay, so for me, the first move would be buy calls. I wouldn't buy the outright stock. I just buy the calls.